If you turn on your computer and all you see is a black screen, it can feel like your entire PC just died. But in many cases, the computer is actually still running. Windows just isn't displaying anything. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix a black screen on your PC, starting with quick fixes and moving to more advanced solutions if the problem keeps coming back. Let's get started. If you can move your mouse cursor, but your desktop, taskbar, and icons are missing, there's a good chance that Windows Explorer has crashed. This makes Windows appear as a black screen, even though the computer is still running. To fix this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type CMD C task kill F IM Explorer EXE and start Explorer EXE. When done, press enter. Your screen may briefly flash, and within a second or two, your desktop icons, taskbar, and start menu should reappear. If restarting Windows Explorer didn't fix the black screen, the next thing we want to try is resetting the graphics driver. Sometimes the graphics driver crashes, which prevents Windows from displaying anything on the screen. To fix this, press Windows key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus P. As soon as you press this shortcut, your screen will briefly flicker and you may hear a small beep. That's completely normal. The screen should come back and your desktop should appear again. If the black screen keeps appearing after you log into Windows, the problem may be caused by a startup program or system setting that loads during normal startup. To troubleshoot this, first turn off your computer completely. Now press the power button to turn it back on. As soon as Windows begins to start loading, press and hold the power button again to force the computer to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times. Windows may need you to press the Enter key to launch recovery mode. Once the recovery screen appears, select Troubleshoot. From there, click Troubleshoot once again to see Advanced Options. Then click on Advanced Options. Next, choose Startup Settings. On the Startup Settings screen, click Restart. Your computer will restart and show a list of startup options. Press F4 on your keyboard to start safe mode. Windows will now boot into safe mode with a basic display driver. If your screen works normally in safe mode, that's a strong sign the black screen is being caused by a graphics driver or startup program. So the best way to fix this is to press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. From the list, click Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for the section called Display Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. You should now see the name of your graphics card. Right-click on your graphics card and select Uninstall Device. A confirmation window will appear. Go ahead and click Uninstall. Don't worry, this will not permanently remove your graphics card. It only removes the current driver so Windows can install a fresh one. Now simply restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it will automatically detect your graphics hardware and reinstall the default display driver. In many cases, this alone can completely resolve a black screen issue caused by a corrupted graphics driver. Now that your screen is working again, let's take a moment to prevent this problem from happening again. One Windows feature that is known to cause display issues on some computers is called Fast Startup. While this can speed things up slightly, it can sometimes cause driver conflicts. When that happens, Windows may start with a black screen, so it's a good idea to turn this feature off. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Control and press Enter to open the control panel. Inside the control panel, search Power Options. Then simply select it. Next, click Choose what the power buttons do on the left side. Now click Change Settings that are currently unavailable at the top. You will now see an option called Turn on Fast Startup. Simply uncheck that box, then click Save Changes. From now on, Windows will perform a clean startup each time you turn on your PC, which helps avoid certain driver and display issues. Now, the final thing you should do is install the latest graphics driver. This step is important because many black screen problems happen when the graphics driver becomes outdated or incompatible after a Windows update. To do this, open your preferred web browser, then go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. I have the links to the driver download pages for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel in the video's description. Within the official page, search for your exact graphics driver. You can refer from the device manager to get the exact graphics model. Once you find your graphics driver model, download the latest available driver. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. If you get the option to execute a clean installation, I recommend you accept it. During the installation, your screen may flash or temporarily go black. This is completely normal because the graphics system is being updated. When the installation finishes, proceed to restart your computer. With the latest graphics driver installed, your system will be more stable and you will greatly reduce the chances of running into another black screen issue in the future.